Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going deep on a company that's tackling, a challenge you might not have even realized existed.
Yeah.
AI for the stuff that actually runs most businesses.
Mm.
Structured data.
It's like, everyone's obsessed with AI, writing poems or making art, but
Right.
this company's focused on the unsung hero of the data world.
Yeah.
The spreadsheets and databases we all rely on.
Okay, so tell me more.
Yeah.
What exactly does this company do?
They're called Neuralk-AI, and they're based in Paris, France.
Ooh la la.
Founded by Alexandre Pasquiou and Antoine Moissenot.
Okay.
Their whole mission is to build AI specifically designed to understand and analyze structured data,
Okay.
particularly in the commerce sector.
Paris, France. That's kind of cool.
Yeah,
It adds a little mystique to the AI world, right?
it does.
But what's the problem they're solving?
Right.
Is analyzing spreadsheets really that hard?
It's not just about analyzing.
Okay.
It's about understanding.
Got it.
Most businesses are drowning in data, but they're only scratching the surface of what they can learn from it.
Yeah?
Traditional analytics can tell you what happened,
Right.
but Neuralk-AI is building AI that can predict what will happen and help businesses make smarter decisions.
So it's like having a crystal ball for your business data.
Kind of, yeah.
Give me an example.
Okay.
What kind of problems can they solve with this AI?
Think about a massive online retailer with millions of products.
Yeah.
Just keeping their product catalog clean and consistent is a huge task.
I can imagine.
Imagine trying to make sure every product description is accurate,
Right.
categorized correctly, and all the images are high quality.
Yeah.
It's a logistical nightmare.
Oh, I bet. And humans probably make mistakes or things slip through the cracks.
Exactly. That's where Neuralk-AI comes in.
Oh.
They've built models that can automatically clean up product catalogs, standardize information,
Okay.
and even enrich existing data with additional attributes.
Wow.
They actually did this for a major European retailer called Auchan Retail, and the results were impressive.
So instead of having a team of people manually combing through millions of product entries,
Yeah.
they have AI doing the heavy lifting. That's got to save them a ton of time and money.
Absolutely.
And it reduces errors too.
And it reduces errors too.
But it goes beyond just cleaning up data, right?
Right.
They're also using AI to personalize customer experiences.
Exactly.
Ooh, that's where it gets really interesting for the shoppers like me.
Yeah.
Tell me more about that.
By analyzing things like purchase history and browsing behavior,
Mm-hmm.
all structured data, by the way,
Right.
their AI can predict what products a customer is most likely to want and recommend them accordingly.
So it's like those, you might also like suggestions you see online, but powered by really sophisticated AI that understands your individual preferences.
Exactly. And it's not just based on simple keyword matching.
Okay.
They have a model called a Tabular Foundation Model that actually understands the underlying meaning of product attributes. It's kind of like how some AI can understand images or text.
Right. But this one is built for tabular data,
Okay.
the kind you find in spreadsheets and databases.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Tabular Foundation Model. That sounds pretty technical.
It is a little bit, yeah.
Do you break that down for me and the listeners?
Sure.
What makes it so special?
Think of it this way.
Okay.
Imagine a chef who can not only read a recipe that's like basic analytics,
Okay.
but also understand flavor profiles and predict how different ingredients will work together.
Yeah,
That's what this model can do with data.
I see.
It can see patterns and relationships that traditional methods would miss.
Okay, that's a great analogy.
Thanks.
So it's not just about crunching numbers.
Right.
It's about understanding the deeper meaning behind those numbers and using that knowledge to make predictions.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm starting to see how this could be a game changer for companies.
Yeah.
What other cool stuff have they done with this tabular foundation model?
Another example is in similarity searches.
Okay.
Imagine you're shopping online for a new pair of shoes.
Instead of just relying on basic keywords,
Right.
this model can understand the underlying meaning of product attributes, like style, color, material,
Yeah.
and even brand reputation.
So it could suggest shoes that are similar in style, even if they don't share the exact same keywords in the description.
Yes. It's about understanding the essence of what you're looking for,
I see.
not just matching words.
Right.
This makes product discovery much more intuitive and helps customers find what they really want, even if they don't know the exact terms to use.
This is all very cool stuff.
Yeah.
And I can see how this kind of AI could be applied to so many different industries beyond just retail.
You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
Structured data is everywhere,
Yeah.
and the potential applications for this technology are vast.
Well, listeners, it sounds like Neuralk-AI is definitely a company to watch for them. Where are they headed next?
Well, they recently secured $4 million in funding to further develop their technology,
Okay.
specifically their Tabular Foundation models.
That's a pretty significant investment.
Yeah.
What are they planning to do with that funding?
It seems they're staying laser focused on the commerce sector,
Makes sense.
which makes sense given their early success there.
Yep.
They're also gearing up to launch the first official version of their model
Oh, cool.
very soon, with a full benchmark release expected later this year.
Ooh, a benchmark release. That sounds interesting. What does that mean for people like me who might not be, super technical?
Think of it like a public test. They'll be releasing their model and data to researchers and developers so they can see how it performs compared to other AI models out there.
Okay.
It's a way to prove the effectiveness of their technology and show the world what it can do.
So it's kind of like a competition for AI models.
In a way, yeah. It's a chance for Neuralk-AI to demonstrate how their approach to structured data AI stacks up against the competition.
This is all very exciting. It sounds like Neuralk-AI is really pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI and data.
Absolutely. They're at the forefront of a very important trend.
Yeah.
We're moving beyond the era of just collecting data and analyzing it in a basic way. Now it's about using AI to truly understand the meaning behind that data and unlock its full potential.
It makes you wonder what the world will look like when AI can truly understand all types of data,
Right.
not just structured data.
It's a fascinating question to consider.
Yeah.
Imagine a world where AI can seamlessly integrate information from spreadsheets, databases, text documents, images, even audio and video.
Wow.
The possibilities are almost endless.
That's pretty mind-blowing. But for now, it sounds like Neuralk-AI is making incredible strides in helping businesses make sense of the data they already have.
Exactly, and their upcoming model launch and benchmark release will be key milestones to watch.
Right.
I'm very curious to see what kind of impact they'll have on the industry.
Me too. I'm definitely adding Neuralk-AI to my list of companies to keep an eye on. Well, listeners, that brings us to the end of this deep dive into Neuralk-AI.
But don't worry, the learning doesn't stop here.
We'll be back tomorrow evening with another exciting deep dive into a new topic. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it.
Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking those big questions.